G'day and welcome back to the channel. So, thank you for joining me. Look what else has decided to join me rather expediently. Thanks to Metro Hobbies, that was pretty quick. So here is the Enduro RC Gatekeeper. Well, here's the box it came in. And we're going to go over there to open this up because I want you to have the experience I've had. Obviously I've opened it up and just had a little quick look, but retaped it up because, oh, this is pretty cool. So let's get to it. Okay, here we are. Bring out my not so new tool, but I figure this would be a nice way to open the boxes. It's from Finland, as you can tell. Oops. And there's a box inside a box. Right, let's get into this box. Oh, cool. So, what have we got here? This looks like a body panel and another body panel. As you can see, they have to be cut out. And this is another one. I think I'm actually going to make something for an FPV camera on this. Actually, you could mount it on. Anyway, Then we've got lots of bits. So let's lay this out. Is that 6 or 9? I think that's 6 and that's 9. This one, 7, 8, 2, and that's probably a dead easy one to start with, 1. And then we've got some shock fluid, element 300, guess that's the weight, 300 maybe, decals, an instruction booklet. And then, if I can get this in here, unfortunately I'm as zoomed out as I can get there. Let's see if I can open this up. So there's a toolbox over here, another toolbox over there, and this, there's what you probably make markers or flags out of, another sort of toolbox you can put together, a little garage. That's actually really sick. So there's the garage, and then you can see the flags, the toolbox, the black one. There's another set of flags. There's another toolbox similar to that one on the other side up here. So that's really cool. I might do something with that, maybe laminate these and make them up. Maybe even laminate these, I don't know. But the flags are cool. Might be able to use them for something. I'm setting up a track. So we'll put that away. The best way to keep it safe for the moment is going to be to close it back up as a box. And so here we have everything that comes with the Element RC Gatekeeper kit. Voila. Right, so there we got everything that goes with the kit. And of course I'm going to need to go over the electronics. But we'll come back to that in a second. Right, so here are the parts that are going into the Gatekeeper. Now I am going to be using, well, it'll be this or a Crossfire, probably this. It's an Aviation DSMX Spectrum receiver, so running it off the IX12. There's a bunch of servo connectors that we'll probably need. These are the wheels I'm going to use. They're actually really nice hubs, steel hubs, quite heavy, but the tires aren't too bad. They're quite squishy and whatnot. Got them off Banggood. We'll see how they go. Here we've got the Hobby Wing. What is this? Quincerin? Yeah, Quincerin brushed. It's a brushed ESC with a little adjusting computer thingy. We're running a SPT5435LV 180 watt. What is this? 29 to 35 kilos a centimeter stall torque. So that's going to be the steering servo. It's waterproof. I'm running another one in the other truck. It's good. And here we have the, what is it? Color Mix 55 turn. That's Surpass Hobby. I think it's Color Mix on that box. Brush motor, 540. I think this will fit. It's a 540, I'm pretty sure. Maybe a 550, but 55 turn. So I'm pretty sure these can run together. And there's the pinion gear that I'm going to be running. I'm not exactly sure. I think this is a 16 tooth or 17 tooth. It's probably not. I probably want more, but it's what I've got for the moment. I'll order a new one in due course. So put these in here because we're a fair way from playing with that. Rightio, well, that's a wrap for that. I'm probably not going to film the build of this. There are plenty of builds out there. I'm just going to have a break and, you know, do this over my holiday break, so that's why. But I am going to do a post-build review and then a final review on the model. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Be well out there, and I'll catch you next time. Rock on.